Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Semester's very first video on Python programming. Before we start learning Python, let's quickly understand why Python is so popular. I will give you two simple reasons that will give you enough confidence as a beginner who is trying to learn programming language. First reason is Python is known for its simple English like syntax. Even beginners can read and understand the code easily. When you compare the same program in C, Java, and Python, you will immediately see how clean and short Python looks. Here, I have performed a same task in three different languages C, Java, and Python. I have assigned a value to a variable called num and printed its value. In C, if I have to perform the task, I have written 6 lines of code. Similarly, to perform the same task in Java, I should write 6 lines of code. But Python, because of its simpleness and English like syntax, we can do the same task within 2 lines of code. It's almost 3 times lesser code when compared with Java and C. That is why Python is known for its simple English like syntax. Second reason, Python has huge community support and thousands of powerful modules. Whether it's artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, automation, web development, or image processing, Python already has ready made libraries that make our jobs much easier. You can think because of its simplicity, it won't do much work when compared with Java and C. But no, Python is used by companies like Google, Netflix, YouTube, and NASA, which shows how important the language is in the real world. So, Python is not just beginner friendly, it's also industry ready. In this playlist, we will learn everything step by step from basics to the advanced concepts. So, let's begin our Python journey with confidence. In the next video, we will go through the history and few features of Python. Thank you.